Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making the machine safe and focused. Power off and lift the presser foot so the tension discs release. Then, make sure you use the same thread and needle that caused the issue, because different weights change tension behavior. Once done, wind a bobbin with exactly the same thread and insert it correctly. A mismatched bobbin is a common hidden cause. Now thread the top thread carefully following the guides. This ensures consistent pathing through the tension discs. You next set a baseline by returning the tension dial to the manufacturer midpoint. This gives a neutral starting point so adjustments are predictable. So a 3 to 4 inch test seam on scrap that matches your project fabric and thread because tension reacts to material. Make sure to keep the presser foot lowered while sewing. That affects thread feed. Then examine the stitch. If the top thread is pulled to the bobbin side, increase top tension slightly. If bobbin thread shows on top, decrease top tension. To finish, make small adjustments, about a 1/2 to 1 notch at a time, then sew another test seam. You want the threads to lock in the middle of the fabric layers. Once balanced, sew a larger sample to confirm under different stitch lengths. If stitches remain uneven, clean lint from the tension discs and bobbin case because debris changes pressure. If that still fails, recheck the entire threading path and needle condition, and if necessary, take the machine for professional service. A clean thread path usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.